OMDA stock analysis and OMDA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Omada held stock. It's kind of, I mean, we don't have like a reference date to just kind of compare it because this is like the first time we got listed on NASDAQ. But even with the limited amount of data, we can definitely work with it because the market is fractal. I'm the only person in this space with 41,000 videos, 41,000 reps done over 5 years. I've seen what's working and what's making me money. Why am I saying this? Because I have my data collected. I can show you the proof, right? And it's on my YouTube channel. Unironically, it's a bearish market. Even I know it's like a limited amount of data, but it's only really going to be bullish if I see breaks about 25, really. And it's only for now, not forever. I know it's like a very low of a time frame, but definitely something that we can work with. And even like if there's like a supply confirmation here, sell side will make a ton of sense, and I'm gonna look to take it even further down. It's very, very simple. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.